If she return, I promise I'ma take care of her heart. Cause she's the only thing that's on my, she the only thing that's on my mind.
It's the return of the finest, gold worth more than a diamond. He's gotten so rare like a dollar bill. Franklin hair for the enemies. This is the trick you hit the most. 2 peaches and 1 stone, it's my dynasty. Tryna figure out how this two love band fall in love like an ecstasy. Living like an ecstasy, just make sure that you play your role. Kobe with the ball skills, fear is the
oxygen. If I poured my heart, I could never pretend like I ain't dying inside.
It's a tree of life, or maybe it's a tree of love. It doesn't make sense, but if you put the pieces together, you'll find it. Maybe city in a track that's almost doubting. Screaming in the night, fuck love, I'm tired trying. Is it me or the bitches that I'm putting down for a second? Trying to find myself in these joints that I'm rolling. So high that I even set on the cloud. I think it was cloud 9, cause I hear the tingling on my dead eye. This shit is colder than my soul, purer than my heart, darker than my mind, deeper than my glory. It sounds so dangerous and think I'm falling for it. Shit is rigor mortis, it's deja vu when I spit my heart out. Same time niggas catching feelings. It's scary than it looks, it's sour than it tastes, it's darker than it's light. It leaves a scar on your heart like a broken bribe. This shit is kinda real, I know you feel it too. Puff, puff, lay down, then I take a sip. Cool, calm, collected every time I take a stand. Cause it's the return of the angel.
If I poured my heart, I could never pretend like I ain't dying inside. You might think she's an ordinary girl, like the type of girls that I posted on your timeline. She ain't the same, she seemed like she was designed. They're leaving evidence of their beauty and mind. The type of girl who goes to church most of the time, humble and respectful, now you get the picture. My mentor and my love, she belong in my future. Logging in and out just to check she online. I see myself as a dying breed, smell of defeat. Maybe you can feel me if I tell you what I mean. Lately I've been writing bars just to get some closure. Every written line begging you to come closer. The heart feeds on the love, and if it stops, things fall apart. We both play the part in this madness, they call it desire. But is it wrong to listen to the truth that's in your heart? Release all the doubt that's in your mind. Embrace all those feelings that you hold. The heart and your mind, baby, that's your soul. It feeds on the truth, happiness and joy. Now that we are growing, I need you and you know it. Time to reconcile, let's put differences aside. Only 21, but I wanna make you mine. Till death do us apart, till the end of time. And if it seems like I'm tripping, then I'm sorry. I just need you to pack your feelings and return. If you turn your back on me, just know that I am damned. Forget about the opposites and past. Just give us a chance, and I promise it will last. I had to go through the pain, but I was never alone.
Chillax, my nigga, I got you, this is your purpose and glory.
I feel it, homie, and you know this ain't the end of the story.
You holding on the fire, so my nigga, protect your ears.
She knows I hold it out forever, so she better be singing.
This is me and my rhymes, me and my bars. Showing my sorrows, I know you don't give a fuck. Pissing on your grave until you started choking it up.
If you return, I promise I'ma take care of her heart. Cause she's the only thing that's on my, she the only thing that's on my mind.